Hello and welcome to Word on the Street brought to you by Davina Diaries. My name is Anu. Today on Word on the Street we are celebrating love. Valentine's is here. It is also the first Valentine's Day since President Muhammadu Buhari became president, and we are faced with the harsh reality of the price of a dollar against the naira. So, we want to know, how is this price of the dollar going to affect your Valentine's? Are you still going to go all out to have fun? Guys, are you still going to get your ladies the teddy bears, the chocolates, probably the ring and car, And ladies, how is it going to affect your celebration of Valentine's? Let's talk.
In all ways of life.
Yeah, so for my friends, but not like.
Hello, you're welcome to Word on the Street brought to you by Davina Diaries.
I don't think it's going to have any effect on me because I'm not celebrating Valentine. But for every other person, actually, I don't know. It's just is the thing of the thing of choice, yeah. So everyone that wants to celebrate, yeah, it's fine. I don't think there's going to be any excuse. Dollar is high, everything is high. You just find a way to just celebrate. It might not even be a money thing. But just find a way to show love this season because it's the season of love.
First Valentine in Buhari's administration. Well, it doesn't have any effect on me. It will just be a normal day for me, like every other day or every other Valentine's Day. But with the price of dollar skyrocketing, it's also affecting the price of commodities generally. So there's going to be a little impact having to pay more for stuff. So I think people will just take it cool and keep their pockets restricted this period. So it might just be a boring Valentine, but it's all good.
It has never affected me, but because of the rise of the dollar, I don't think there will be any issues with it. People that celebrate it will still want to celebrate it. Those guys that their girls tell them they shouldn't worry about it to still surprise their girlfriends. But for me, it won't really affect me because it never really affected me. Thank you.
Economic impacts are diverse, and if you look at it from the angle of having to spend, one would rather say that the much desired change that Nigerians were expecting is not what we've seen under the president's regime. And with inflation at crazy rates, we are looking at double digits, as it were, in the present economy. I would really say that a lot of men, guys, are not looking forward to the next Valentine.
Actually, love is very strong, and no matter the economy of the situation, of the country or the situation, love supersedes everything. I think the economy is not as strong as we all want it or predict it to be, but for once to prove love and for once to show love, we just have to go extra mile, no matter what the economists say. Even if you have to take the last or your last savings to show love to the less privileged, to your loved ones, to your partner, I think we'll have to do that. But I don't think the economy will show so much on a Valentine, but I think it will go a little down if the economy is not strong. If the economy is not strong, the people showing love to one another, the less privileged on the street, the ones that you need to show love to will go down. But for those who truly believe in love, actually, no matter what it takes them, they have to go that mile.
So we're talking about the dollar increment. I don't think it will affect, because I believe people will still come out, enjoy themselves one way or the other. It might not be like before, but at least I believe people will still come out and enjoy themselves and catch fun, even more fun than before. Because we are happy we chose him and he's there. So we believe it will change. It will change us for better.
To start with, the Chibok girls are still missing. People celebrated Christmas. We still hear bomb attacks and so many things. People get kidnapped, armed robbery attacks, and that, but people still celebrate. So automatically, whether Buhari has done well, whether the dollar rate is 500 to whatever, it's still not going to celebrate. It's not going to affect the way Valentine's Day is going to be celebrated in Nigeria. That's what I think. Thank you very much.
To me, I feel it's still going to be normal. People that will celebrate will still celebrate, and people that will still not celebrate. But anyway, it's going to affect several people. People will be thinking of their finance than the celebration, you get, because everything has to do with money. we have to get money to spend money. So it's really, really going to affect Valentine.
The truth of the whole matter is 70% of Nigerians, they don't even as I'm talking to you, you know, before when Valentine is coming on, the weather, the atmosphere, everything will be bearing apparent attestation of a great thing that is coming ahead of time. But this time around, I tell you the truth, 70% of Nigerians, they weren't even feeling as if there is anything coming up. But by the grace of God, we will do it irrespective of what the dollar is saying.
There you have the opinions of people on the streets. You know, you can always be a part of this conversation by dropping your comments in the comments section right below this. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, at Davina Diaries. Till I come your way on the next episode of Word on the Street, my name is Anu, and I'm signing out for real. Bye.
Like,
Hello, you're welcome to Word